Hello everybody, this is Adam, and I have taken the opportunity from the fans that I have now, the comments that I've received on the social medias and here on YouTube, that I have restructured my chakra analysis series. I have simplified it down to two different choices of a healthy or an unhealthy chakra. And then also I am going to be adding a solid definition so people can follow it that way. Solutions to heal that particular chakra. So if you ask yourself these questions, or if you have identified that maybe your root chakra, for instance, is having a unhealthy aspect to it, you can ratify it with these solutions. And then we're going to be ending with affirmations because everybody loves affirmations. So without further ado, here is the root chakra, or the Mūlādhāra chakra. The definition. The root chakra is the chakra that is located at the base of the spine. It is the root of your being and establishes the deepest connection with your physical body, your environment, and with the earth. The root chakra is the most instinctual of all chakras. It is your survival center. Your fight and flight response is initiated from this chakra. This is your primal animal nature. The energy from the root chakra allows us to harness courage, resourcefulness, and the will to live during trying times. It connects us with spiritual energies of our ancestors, their challenges, and their triumphs. So a lot, especially right now, it's a lot of stuff that I think a lot of people need to hear, and I think it's a really good thing. So, the unhealthy characteristics that we are going to be going through for the root chakra. Now, this is going to be also a they/you, so you're going to be hearing a lot of that. Are they/you obsessed about money? Do they/you have a general mistrust of others? Do they/you believe that the only person they/you can rely on is themselves or yourself? Are they/you a workaholic? Do they/you have a dysfunctional relationship with their/your family? Are they/you terrified of a loss of control? Do they/you feel it difficult and scary to be their/your authentic self around others? Do they/you feel disconnected from other people and nature? Do they/you like there's never enough to go around? Do they/you feel dizzy, anxious, spacey, or ungrounded? The healthy aspects of a root chakra. They/you are present. They/you are rooted in their/your own energy. They/you feel connection. They/you are in touch with their/your body. They/you are in tune with nature. They/you feel safe on this plane of existence. They/you trust. They/you have the ability to manifest stability. They/you love stillness. So there is a lot there as well. And with the healthy portions of these, they're going to be different numbered because sometimes the healthy ones don't need a whole lot. This one just has a lot of them. So let me just get myself organized here. Sorry. There we go. The solutions that can arise from a unhealthy root chakra that can make it become healthy. Listen to grounding music such as thunder or instruments that are from the earth, like a didgeridoo, which is that crazy long Australian one. It's a really cool instrument. Chat lam to yourself. So the hertz is where you can calm yourself in that area of your chakra system. Regularly go for a walk in nature. Do some targeted yoga, such as the child pose, forward bend, mountain pose, squat, or warrior. Eat grounded foods such as sweet potatoes, beets, radishes, any kind of red colored or rooted vegetable kind of food is what you want to go for. Obviously, keep it 100% healthy. Don't eat artificially red stuff. It's not going to work. Practice 30-second mindfulness. This is stopping each day and observing your breath for 3 counts. It kind of keeps you in line and keeps you calm, and also kind of erases everything else in your mind, and it's a really interesting experience. Carry and meditate with crystals such as jasper, smoky quartz, and carnelian. Cleanse the root chakra with aromatherapy scents such as sandalwood, cloves, black pepper, and ginger. Practice earthing, which is walking on the grass or earth for the purpose of recharging the human energy field. And also do that with bare feet, but obviously be aware of your surroundings. Don't walk in the desert with your bare feet in the middle of the summer, or over coals or something. And carry a totem or grounding piece of jewelry, something from an ancestor, like a grandparent, or a specific color, with red. Anything like that kind of gets you back to your roots is something that you want to keep. And obviously, we're going to be ending this video with the affirmations of the root chakra. So while you're meditating or walking or anything that we've already discussed, this is what you should be telling yourself. I feel deeply rooted. I am connected to my body. I feel safe and secure. Just like a tree or a star, I have a right to be here. I stand for my values, for truth, and for justice. I have what I need. I am grounded, stable, and standing on my own 2 feet. I nurture my body with healthy foods, clean water, exercise, relaxation, and connection with nature. I am open to possibilities. I am grateful for all the challenges that have helped me to grow and transform. I trust the goodness of life. I make choices that are healthy and good for me. I trust myself, and I love life. I thank you all for listening. If you did enjoy this video, please subscribe to this channel, Keys to Your Crown, and turn on the notifications so you do not miss tomorrow's video. We will be going through the sacral chakra, so all sorts of fun. But also share this video with your friends on all of the social media platforms, and follow me on all those social media platforms, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, whatever. And also check out the links in the description, especially the top one, to sign up for our newsletter, where you will get a great video and also a ton of wonderful free resources throughout the time that you're there for your viewing pleasure. And I do thank you for doing that in advance. And I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day.